Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So we're gonna get started with parting our hair down the center for this slick back ponytail. Is that looking straight? I think that looks pretty straight, y'all. Alright, now we're gonna comb through the roots of this hair real quick. Ooh. Looks like I needed to comb through my hair earlier before I did this. And now we're gonna slick this down with some Eco Styler gel. An Old Faithful, it's always worked for me. Never given me any problems. So just gonna put that around all of our hair on the edges, where the part is, going towards the back. Make sure everything has a little bit of gel on it to slick everything down nice and smooth. Right now we're going to use this brush to brush everything down and make sure everything looks nice and smooth for this ponytail. I think we got this nice and slick down. Let's do one more brush through. Make sure we've got all the flyaways and everything nice and smooth. And now to make this ponytail just a little bit something extra, not your ordinary ponytail, we're going to add some rubber bands down the length of our ponytail. Maybe about an inch and a half apart. I didn't measure. Now that that's done, time to take care of these edges, and we'll be good to go with this look. We've got some got to be glue gel so that my edges won't be going nowhere. I just put a little bit around the perimeter of my head. Now this good old toothbrush to lay him down. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to take this scarf and tie it down. And once everything is perfectly dry, because it's a little wet from all the gel, we'll be good to go. So, now I'm heading to bed, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all. Now we're taking off this scarf and boom! Hair is laid. Edges looking watery. We've got a cute little slick back ponytail twist. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.